Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. Today we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a time when you needed to use your imagination. You should say when it was, when you needed to use imagination, and explain how you felt about it. Before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. First word is creditor. Creditor means a person or company from whom you have borrowed money. In Punjabi it means ਜਿਹਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਦੇਣੇ ਹੋਣ ਉਹ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਆਪਣਾ creditor ਹੁੰਦਾ ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ company ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ. Next word is over the moon. It is an idiom. It is used to express happiness. ਇੱਕ idiom ਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੋ ਕੋਈ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ word idiom use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ over the moon. Next is think outside the box. It is also an idiom. It means to explore ideas that are creative. Next is ploughing. Ploughing means हल वाहना. कला word जो plough ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ हल and ploughing means हल वाहना. So without wasting time, let's begin. Imagination is a wonderful thing. We all use imagination in our day to day lives. When we read a book or hear a story, we imagine the characters. We also imagine situations in our mind. Here, I would like to talk about a time when I used imagination. I took part in an art competition held at my school. I vividly remember that my art teacher asked us to make drawing on different concepts when I was in ninth standard. I used my imaginative skills to make something unique, hence, I tried to think outside the box. Then I made a sketch of a farmer who was plowing in a field. I made various thinking clouds on the top of his head. I pictured various thoughts written in the clouds, such as how will he pay creditors, how will he fulfill wishes of his children, whether he can harvest good yield of crops. I made this picture to open the eyes of people that farmers' life is really tough. The prices of everything has increased, such as clothes, technological gadgets, but the prices of crops are still low. It is a harsh reality of the world that we cannot live without food, but farmers are still grappling with problems and other businesses are earning huge amount of profits. I felt sad and angry while making this sketch. I am really inspired by my father, who is a farmer. He gets up early in the morning, does all work in the field. However, we do not get profits like other businesses. I won first prize in that competition owing to the exceptional concept. Our principal hanged that picture in his office and appreciated me for my imaginative skills. I felt over the moon and it was a good experience for me. So that's it for today's session. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.